Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to contact the support system in the Deckee application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, as well as how to make money online. Let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. And then click on the U button at the bottom of the page on the right. And then click on the settings button at the top of the page on the right. And then click on the contact support button. And as you can see, you can search for articles, or you can search within these sections, like if you have any questions regarding profile settings, just click on that, and here will be some useful questions and a very detailed answer for that. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Goodbye.